There are apps sitting on your PC right now that you don't actually need anymore, because AI can do the same job faster, for free, and without the bloat. I replaced 5 of them, and honestly, I haven't looked back. Let me show you exactly which ones and what I use instead. First one, Notepad. I used to open Notepad just to quickly draft something or clean up text. Now, I just open ChatGPT or Claude and type directly there. Not only does it write with me, it can fix grammar, change the tone, summarize, translate, all in the same place. Notepad can't do any of that. Number 2, Google Search. Now, before you close the video, hear me out. For quick factual questions, troubleshooting, research, or getting a straight answer fast, Perplexity AI is just better. It gives you a direct answer with sources. No ads, no clicking through 10 websites. I still use Google for some things, but for most searches, Perplexity saves me way more time. Number 3, the calculator and basic Excel work. If I need to do a quick calculation, split a bill, convert units, or figure out a percentage, I just type it in ChatGPT. It explains the answer too, which is actually useful. And for simple spreadsheet stuff like organizing a list or doing basic formulas, ChatGPT can generate the whole Excel formula for you. Just paste it in. Number 4, translation apps. Google Translate is fine, but if you need something that actually sounds natural, especially for professional text, DeepL combined with ChatGPT is on another level. You translate with DeepL, then ask ChatGPT to make it sound more natural for the target language. The difference in quality is night and day. Last one, your PDF reader. Instead of reading a long PDF yourself, just upload it to Claude and ask it to summarize, pull out key points, or answer specific questions about it. I use this for contracts, reports, research papers, anything long and boring. It saves me hours every week. This one alone is worth switching for. So that's 5 Windows apps replaced. Notepad, Google Search, Calculator, translation apps, and your PDF reader. All free, all faster, all smarter. If you want me to do a deeper video on any of these, drop it in the comments. Like and subscribe. I post this kind of stuff regularly. See you in the next one.